Hi, and welcome to this online tutorial where we're going to show you how to set up time slots for your reservations and loaners module within the Hector application. The first thing you need to know is that you can set up time slots or reservation time slots for parts as well as rooms. Please keep in mind that these labels might be different in your environment depending on your settings. For our example, we're going to set up a time slot for a room, and we'll show you how to use it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate to one of our rooms, and we'll make sure that there's an affiliated stock room where we can make reservations for this specific room. So we'll take this room, any of the rooms can be fine, but we're going to take the library study rooms for our demonstration. So I'm going to go into edit mode for this library, and then I'm going to hop into the loaner section. And then I'm going to set up a schedule where this room can be reserved according to specific time slots. And you'll understand what I mean in just a few seconds. So I'm going to click here on loaner schedule, and I'm going to set up some time slot based on business days, meaning from Monday to Friday. And what I'll do is I'll have 2-hour increments where people can come and make a reservation for this specific room. So I'm going to set up a reservation from 10 to 12, 8 to 10. I'm going to leave 1 hour for lunch, and then we're going to do 13 to 15 and one final time slot. Let's do 1500 hours to 1700 hours. The last thing I want to make sure that I do is that I check off this use the schedule for the loaner catalog checkbox. And this is going to activate the selection of time slots when I'm ready to make a reservation for my library study rooms. So I'm going to hit save. We're going to head out to our library bookings, and we're going to make a new public reservation. So this is where your users would make a reservation normally throughout the application. And I'm going to select my rooms, and here I can see that I have the library study room set up where I can choose a space within the library where I can make a reservation. So I'm going to choose room A, table 1, and now you see this is the new functionality I've been talking about. We can see that we can select from 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 13 to 15, and 15 to 17. All we have to do is click on the time slot that we want to make a reservation for and click add to cart. We can of course check the availability of the room as we could before to see if this room is available. If the room was not available, we would see a hashed out symbol here where we would know that the room cannot be reserved at that specific moment. We'll add it to our cart, and here you have an example of the hashed preventing us from selecting it once again and adding it to our cart. We're going to confirm our reservation. We see that we have a reservation from 1300 hours to 1500 hours. We can enter our member number, any note that could be of value to the team handling the reservations, and click save. And I've just made a reservation for a specific time slot thanks to the new configuration that I set up within the room itself in the application. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding how to set this up in your environment, feel free to reach out to our team, and I want to take the opportunity to wish you a very good day. Thank you, and see you guys later.